Hey guys, I was gonna post a video on how well the greenhouse performed last week with colder weather. It got around to I think the coldest it got outside was around -4 with wind, of course, and it got around 10 in the greenhouse. Those are Celsius. But today I'm just gonna drop that video because today we're gonna see something new and special. And here it is. Yeah, we got our first snowstorm. I'm probably just gonna walk fast to the greenhouse because you hear that wind. Yeah, you're not gonna hear me talk much. Yeah, we can see how much. Half a foot, buddy. It's an old pumpkin. Anyway, let's make our way to the greenhouse and check it out. It's Cookie. Cookie doesn't want to come. Nah. Oh, yeah, it's colder this morning. I'm still rocking my Crocs. Oh yeah, we had some little humps of snow, I guess. Buddy! Buddy's screaming at the neighbors. Let's check this out. Oh, I'm gonna have to take that out by hand. Funny thing is that the snow, buddy, the snow actually some form of isolation. So, all right, buddy. Check that out. It's 9 degrees. But funny thing, the hell was that? Everything seems to be all right. Yep. Anyway, might come back later today, or we'll see. So anyway, everything seems to have survived the cold storm, which is great. All right, see you guys. Just what I wanted to say.